All right, guys, Marty Boots here. Today I want to talk to you about this moving average structure, right? In the past, when this is a 12-hour chart, by the way. In the past, when Bitcoin has broke out above all moving averages like this, price has never in its history crashed and broke through them and fell back down below, right? You can see here this curvature of the white 100 moving average, price broke out to the upside, okay? Now we've ran through this in our live trading room. There's lots of videos in there and different material. If you're interested in joining us in our live trading room, there's a link down below to take a 3-day free trial. There is $1 million worth of courses, and there is lots of buy and sell alerts. So yeah, we have a fantastic group in there, guys, if you're interested. Anyway, I just want to make this video pretty quick. You can see right here, Bitcoin has never in its history fell through this level, right? You can see here we broke out above the white 100 moving average after this sort of area, broke up. You can see here we did the same. This is a break below. This is not it. This is where we broke above all moving averages. It's slightly different though, because look at the white structure. The white structure is what we're after. Okay, the white moving average is above all price and curling over like that. But this is above all moving averages. Now this was a spike, and you can see the moving average structure was different. So it's not the same, right? If I keep moving here, you can see obviously when we broke out above all moving averages here, price went higher. Now this is different. Why is it different? Maybe I want you to see this. I want you to understand this. Clean up this chart. Look at the white 100 moving average is above price, right? The red 200 moving average is above price here. This is different. The red 200 moving average is above price, which signifies the price is in a bear market. Price is moving down. The red 200 moving average is below price here, signifying we are in a bull market. Okay, now that's the easiest way to look at it. Now you can see here, price was in a bull market. The red 200 moving average was below price. So it's important to understand that structure of the moving averages as we go forward. Now I'm going to zoom into here. You can see when the white 100 moving average is above price and above price here. Okay, let me zoom in. So now that we have identified, the structure, you can see that when the white 100 moving average curls here, right, price never fell back below. You can see right here again, well, it was underneath, but when price came up, it did have a drop back into all these moving averages. There was a top and we dropped back in, but that price held, and then price went to the upside. Okay, so for example, this drop right down below the white 100 and below all other moving averages. Let's just go back and take a look at this. So there's no gap here in all these moving averages. You can see that structure is a little bit different, but we have support, 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 support. There's so much support here, moving average support. It's going to be pretty hard to just break through all of those, guys, at this point in time. You can see we had this support, the same support right here. When price broke up above all moving averages, you have all these structural support of the moving averages the whole way through. Price was unable to break through. The price got supported on a dip right back down before the red 200 moving average, and price bounced again and price held. So what I'm trying to say is there's a lot of support here. Even if we dip down here, there's a likelihood chance we pop back up, right? There's still that chance, and this is what I'm trying to get at. Now let me continue on to show you that never in Bitcoin's history, when Bitcoin got above all moving averages like this, there was a wick here. Look at this wick. But liquidity is a lot better now. We don't have shitty liquidity in Bitcoin anymore, at least not compared to back in the day, back in 2017, like this sort of liquidity. We will, I don't want to say we will not get them spikes actually, but the likelihood is we don't get the spikes like that anymore. Okay, liquidity is a lot better. Now let's keep going here. Now again, when price moves above, you can see this white 100 moving average, and price gets back above it. This is kind of what we have right now. We are kind of here right now on Bitcoin, and you can see that there was a dump back into the red 200 moving average, and then price grinded, and then we went into a bull market. Now I'm going to go back and look at that one more time. Do you know what I might do? I might actually do it here, right? Okay, this is this. You can see it here now. So the white 100 moving average above price gets back underneath, right? It's bullish. It's bullish structure. Look how bullish the structure is, because price should hold above all of these moving averages. It may take time, it may take chop, but it'll turn into reaccumulation and bullish after a period of time. So, price can drop and it can spike back in, but it should hold, and then price should go higher, right? Just like this. This is what should happen in Bitcoin, right? Will it happen? But I'm just proving to you right now that never in Bitcoin's history, you can see it happened here again, right? This is another example. This white 100 moving average over price, and this white 100 moving average comes back under price like this. It starts to support price. I didn't draw that very well. Let me draw that again. Look at the white 100 moving average. It comes back in price. It supports price. And you can see this right here. Price gets supported by all of the moving averages. Every single time in Bitcoin's history, price has supported by the moving averages and turns bullish and explodes to the upside. Now there is a drop, initial drop, to prove that it's support, and then price gets back up and holds, and structurally it starts to chop and turn into reaccumulation before exploding to the upside. Now, how many times do I need to show you? It happens over, and here's another time, over and over and over again. The white 100 moving average over price, coming back down underneath price, supporting price. What do we have right here on Bitcoin? I'm going to keep reiterating this. White 100 moving average back underneath price, forming bullish structure where this price cannot break down below these moving averages. It will hold, at least it should hold, with a high certainty. It's got 100% accuracy rating in Bitcoin's history to this point, but it should hold here and then move off bullish to the upside. You can see it here again. Okay, let's keep going. Back in 2015, what happened? Okay, white 100 moving average up, coming back down below price. And as price, well, there was this dip below, right? But the red 200 moving average is above price here. That's technically bearish, right? So that's why price was able to get below here. We have the red 200 moving average below price. Very important to understand your structures, right? So guys, that's it. That's the entire chart. That's Bitcoin. I know Bitcoin goes back further than that, but that's back to 2015. And it's got a 100% success rate that turns Bitcoin into a bull market. This dip should be for buying, guys. It should be for buying. Do not FOMO sell. Let this price develop and be prepared to take a long. We will be trading this in our live trading room, guys. Bitcoin, according to what I just showed you, Bitcoin will go higher. This is a chop and a pullback and will be a buying opportunity. If you need help trading this, and if you want to trade with a group of very, very good traders, we have a group of fantastic members. We have buy and sell alerts. We have $1 million worth of courses. So if you want to up your game in this market and be successful, take the 3-day free trial down below. We're very happy to help out. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. Don't forget to like and subscribe.